Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to help you fix a very common iPhone problem. Your iPhone shows the charging icon, but the battery percentage is not increasing at all. So let's get started in the video. Solution 1. Check your charging cable and adapter. First of all, check if your cable and adapter is damaged. Even if the charging icon appears, a weak or faulty cable won't give proper power. Try using another original Apple cable or adapter and see if it works. Solution 2. Clean the charging port. Sometimes dust, lint or dirt inside the charging port blocks the power. Take a soft brush or clean toothpick and gently clean the port. Don't use anything metal or sharp. Solution 3. Restart your iPhone. A simple restart can fix many charging glitches. Just power off your iPhone, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on. Solution 4. Check for overheating. If your iPhone is too hot, it will slow down charging or stop it completely. Remove the case and let the phone cool down for a few minutes. Solution 5. Check battery health. Go to Settings app, tap Battery, then tap Battery Health and Charging. If your battery health is below 70%, your iPhone may charging very slowly or not at all. In that case, you may need to replace the battery. Solution 6. Update iOS. Go to Settings app, tap General, then tap Software Update. If an update is available, install it. Sometimes charging bugs are fixed in new updates. Solution 7. Try another power source. Maybe the wall socket or USB port is weak. Try charging a different plug, power bank or laptop. Solution 8. Reset all settings. If nothing's worked, reset all settings. This won't erase your data. Go to Settings app, then tap General. Now scroll all the way down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Next tap Reset all settings. Enter your iPhone's passcode and again tap on Reset all settings to confirm your action. And that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.